Hey guys, welcome once again. Here I am with another tutorial, and here you can see this is our residential project of one canal size, and excavation has done only the retaining wall or constructed of RC, and now a hard bitumen layer is applied to them. The bitumen is preparing that for the sake just to avoid the water seepage into them, and also the reinforcement casing has been prepared for the spread footing. The lean concrete has done, you can see it is poured on the entire surface, and over them these footing will be provided. Also you can see the column marks are being marked in them where the column will be placed, and this is just about to start, and soon we will come to the superstructure, and you will see the great structure of this building. So stay with me and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.